Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change Gmail password. It's very simple tips and tricks if you want to change your Gmail password. So this is the right video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to log in which Gmail account password you are changing. So this is my Google account and I want to change this Google account password. So I just simply tab here. After that, manage your Google account. This is my Google account. Welcome to Sangram Singh. Here, the home, personal information, data and privacy and security. Just simply tap the security menu. After that, you need to scroll down here. So many informations are available, but one of the information, password. So before changing password, sometimes the Google account asking you the password, you just simply put it there, your current password, and here the new password information. Just simply change the password here. Make sure password length is 8 characters. Make sure both password is the same. Change. The message are asking me you stay signed on those devices after change your password. Change password and boom. This is a simple process to change your passwords and protect your Google account or Gmail account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.